Good afternoon. I'm Richard Lucore with Lucore Automotive Services. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the 6-liter Powerstroke diesel. Offered from late 03 through the end of 2007. The engine got a lot of bad raps from tuners doing incorrect things to it and stretching the head bolts out. In stock form, these trucks are actually quite reliable. The later years are, at any rate. The early first year and a half had some issues that can't be overcome, but the later ones are definitely a strong running engine. They've got a very well-designed oiling system. They hold up very well to different things. This engine in this truck, I just did a full engine rebuild on. We rebuilt it because the previous owner had overheated it severely, so we decided it was best to just do a full rebuild, make sure everything would be good to go for the road ahead. This truck will serve its new owner very well, and it should have many miles ahead. I actually personally own one of these trucks that has 390,000 miles on it. It's still original head bolts, original head gaskets, and it still runs every day and does what we ask it to do. Now, a little backstory on the 6-liter diesels. The 6-liter diesel is actually designed by International. It's used in their big trucks. Trucks like this guy over here. We put a bulletproof kit in for a ruptured EGR cooler. So when you really think about it, if this 6-liter displacement engine can make this truck do what it needs to do every day, it can certainly do what this truck needs it to do. These trucks work great for towing and hauling. This one we actually put head studs on, upgraded EGR cooler from bulletproofdiesel.com, and we did a few other things to make improvements. There's updates for a number of different things, and we performed all of those updates when we had this engine apart. This engine should make for a really good running truck. It's a Lariat leather loaded. It's very clean, and it's a very good looking truck. Oil changes, general repair, complete engine rebuilds, diagnostic, service, and everything in between. Top to bottom, start to finish. From broken trucks to beautifully running finished products. Light duty trucks, medium duty trucks, we service them all. We're here to serve all your 6-liter needs. Lucore Automotive Services. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.